Alright guys, so after one more night, we're off to a great start again. Got some sleep. Yeah, everything's good. Suzuki is still running. Today we're gonna be riding for about 1.5 hours to get to a place where we can see some Musk Oxen, I think they're called. So yeah, that's gonna be kind of nice. Haven't seen one of those before. Look like they don't look like bisons, but a lot of people mistake them for being bisons, but they are called Musk Oxen. So yeah, let's get on the road and see what that brings us today. Today is a bit cloudy, guys, so I'm still keeping the ND8 on, and it's really chilly today. It's not as hot as the previous days. So yeah, remember to bring some thick clothes too. If you go to Norway, I mean, the weather can change up pretty fast. So yeah, luckily for my friend up here, I had some tights with me, so he borrowed those because he only got some jeans to ride in, some motorcycle jeans. I'm riding full leather suit. That was really nice for me, and the Alpine Stars suit, you can open up vent zippers, so yeah, you can get some more ventilation if it's really hot. Today it's just closed because it's as chilly as it is. So but yeah, we're on the road and heading towards the Musk Oxen. After that, I'm not sure where we're gonna go, but I'm gonna have a chat with my friends about that. So guys, we just stopped to get a look at these stout churches. They're called here in Norway, really old churches. So yeah, they look really nice. I think we're just gonna have a look inside. Alright guys, we just had a look inside. Really nice church. Yeah, we're heading out on the road again. So yeah, let's see what the road is gonna bring today. Alright guys, we just stopped to get some gas. I got gas yesterday from my trip, but my two friends, they didn't gas up their bike, so yeah. They're gonna get some now and we're gonna head back on the road. And we're now back on the road. We still got like 40 minutes to go till we get to that place with the Musk Oxen. So yeah, that's still a lot. Alright guys, so we found the place where they were supposed to be, but unfortunately we could not find any, so we just decided to go get some food, and that's gonna be like a half-an-hour drive. So yeah, that's how it's gonna go. Alright guys, we're on our way into this city called Oppdal, where we're gonna find something to eat and get back on the road afterwards. We've been on the road for about, I think, 3 hours or something, and clock is about to be 1 p.m. so yeah, we need some food, restore some energy, and so we can get back on the road in a good condition. So yeah, just gonna get some food and then we're gonna be back on the road. Alright guys, we just got some food, now heading back on the road. We got like 3 hours till we get to the place where we're gonna sleep. So yeah, but we're gonna stop in about an hour to get some more gas. That's and just have a chill break. So yeah, that's the plan for now. nice if we just stopped to get some groceries and some gas. Hitting the road again. Got 2 hours to go, so still pretty far till we get to the place we're gonna sleep. But so far on this trip we've not had any rain at all, so that's pretty good. Bit cloudy today, but I mean it's not really cold. It was a bit cold when we rode on top of the mountains, but down here is not so bad. But we're gonna get to a place where it's gonna be like 7 degrees Celsius, so yeah, that's gonna be cold. But as long as it doesn't rain, I'm happy. So let's see what these roads are gonna bring the rest of the trip till we get to the place we're gonna sleep. Alright guys, we got down from the mountain. That was a really bumpy ride. We still got like 30 minutes to an hour, I think, before we get to the spot where we're gonna sleep. So until then, we're just gonna get some clips of the road. Alright guys, unfortunately last evening I ran out of power on my GoPro, so I couldn't record the place where we were going to stay, but I thought I would do it today, where we have a day off, just riding around here in this area. It's very nice, a lot of narrow roads and bendy twists without too many people on the road, so that's just perfect. But I thought I would just ride to the place so you guys can have a look at it, and of course I'm gonna show you a video of the inside too. So far on this trip we've been staying at some very comfortable places for a really low price. If you do your work before you go, not do it on the trip, you can really get some good spots for a really decent price. So that's what you want to be looking for, so you don't want to be spending too much money on hotels and yeah, other places that cost a lot of money. But it's right up here, so I'm just gonna, it's a very steep hill, but yeah, you'll have a look at it once we get up here. It's very annoying with the traction control on it, because if you have traction control on while we ride up these roads, then it just constantly shuts off, so that's pretty annoying. So I just want to turn it off for now. And yeah, works a lot better. But yeah, it's this old woman who has this place, so it's pretty nice. She's very kind, and everything is clean and looking good. But yeah, this is the place, My other friends are out hiking today, but I just thought I would go for a little tour for myself again. Again, I went for a hike last week, so that's not what I want to do this time. I just want to ride around on my motorcycle. That's what I came here for this week. So but yeah, this is a very nice place. Unfortunately, all the stores are closed today, so we had plans about barbecuing, but yeah, it's not gonna be today, unfortunately, but maybe some other day. We're probably gonna go to some restaurant today. But yeah, let me show you the inside. Alright guys, this is where we stay. I got 2 beds and 1 bed here. It's mine. Got our stuff here. Got this balcony too, with this nice view. I mean, this is a really nice. Imagine waking up to this every morning, and then you got all the roads along the fjord, so that's really nice. We came from that way yesterday, and tomorrow we're gonna be heading out that way. So yeah. Other than this, we got another balcony with a table. Really nice. Also really nice view. Besides this, we also have a living room and a bathroom. I'm also going to be showing you that, but I'm not going to talk because the old woman lives right downstairs, so I'm just going to be quiet. So yeah guys, that's gonna be it for this video, and I hope you enjoy watching the series, and I'll see you in the next episode.